In this video, I'll show you how to use Amazon Music stations. These stations inside of Amazon Music are created by their own. If you head over to the homepage of your Amazon Music, you're going to see a section called Stations For, and you're going to see the name of the artist that you follow. Now, based upon your interactions that you have made with Amazon Music is going to create automatic stations that you might actually like. So you can scroll down inside of your homepage and you're going to get a couple of these stations that you can go into. The way that you play them or use them is quite straightforward. You can just select a station that you're trying to play, and the music inside of these stations will start to play. You can also skip if you don't like this current song, or if you do like it, you can also click on the heart icon on the left hand side and the song will be added to your playlist. Similar to this, you're going to get more stations based upon your interactions or based upon the artist that you like or follow inside of Amazon Music. So that's all there is for this video. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.